student, good evening. Today I have selected a chapter, the fundamental unit of life in bio. Student, please pay attention towards the lecture. All living things are made up of some basic structure. The first botanist, Robert Hooke, discovered cell in 1665. He was a great botanist of Britain. He observed that all organisms are made up of some basic structure. He compared this basic structure of the living organism with the honeycomb, like a honeycomb which is made up of the small compartment. All living things are made up of some basic structure. He named that compartment as a cell. Of course, he discovered cell with his self-designed microscope in 1965. Dear student, जब सेल का डिस्कवर किया गया रॉबर्ट हुक के द्वारा, तो उन्होंने सेल से संबंधित बहुत सारी बातों को बताया कि जितना लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है उसका बॉडी एक बेसिक और फंडामेंटल स्ट्रक्चर से मिलकर बना है, जिसे कि उन्होंने सेल नाम दिया। सेल थ्योरी कहता है कि जितने जीव हैं, जितने लिविंग थिंग्स हैं, वो सभी छोटे छोटे बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर से बने हुए हैं, जिसको कि सेल कहा जाता है। सेल का मल्टीप्लिकेशन प्री एग्जिस्टिंग सेल से होता है, डिवीजन के थ्रू। रॉबर्ट हुक के इस ऑब्जर्वेशन के बाद उन्होंने सेल के बारे में और जो बातें बताई है कि सेल दो तरह के होते हैं। देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ सेल, प्रोकार्योटिक सेल एंड यूकार्योटिक सेल। प्रोकार्योटिक सेल आर प्राइमरी और incomplete cell. It does not contain a true nucleus. True nucleus means the nucleus which is bound with a membrane, that is called true nucleus, that consists DNA and RNA genetic substance. All the prokaryotic cell are incomplete cell, or it is primitive cell. Example, bacteria, blue green algae, these are prokaryotic cell. Second है eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells is a complete cell that contain a true nucleus. Example is all multicellular and unicellular organism except some bacteria and blue green algae. बच्चों, बात समझ में आ रही होगी। प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल किसको बोलते हैं और यूकार्योटिक सेल किसको बोलते हैं। अब आप सेल का डिफिनेशन जानिए। What is a cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of all living organism. It is also a basic or fundamental unit of life. A single cell is capable to perform all functions whatever we see in a living organism. Therefore, so many single cellular organisms are capable to stay alive with a single cell only. You know the example of single cellular organism? It means within a cell all the functions are performed, whatever functions we see in a living organism. अब सेल का बच्चों, सेल के ऑर्गेनल के बारे में आप थोड़ी जानकारी लीजिए। सेल का जो ऑर्गेनल होता है, जो सेल के अंदर का स्ट्रक्चर है, उसके बारे में बच्चों ध्यान दीजिएगा। पहला ऑर्गेनल मैं बता रहा हूं, सेल मेम्ब्रेन। इट इज ए मेड अप ऑफ protein and some lipids. It separates the cell from the outer surrounding. Cell wall. It is hard and rigid structure. It is non-living structure in a cell that provide the shape and size of a cell. It is a freely permeable, but cell membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. It does not allow all the substance to flow in and out from the cell. Third is ribosome. I am briefing about the organelle of the cell. Ribosome is responsible for protein synthesis in the cell. Dear students, today I have given you about the basic structure of cell, discovery of cell, cell theory, prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell, and some of the cell organelle and their functions. So please rewind this video and try to understand particularly each and everything whatever I have taught you through this video, and answer my question with comments. The very first is, who discovered cell? The very simple question I am giving you. Who discovered cell? Differentiate between prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Thank you. Good night.